Hi, Georgina! Georgina, let's learn the numbers from 1 to 20, okay?
1.
What number is this?
1.
Very good! How about this one?
2.
2. Good job! How about this one?
3.
3. Yay! How about this one?
4.
4. Good job! How about this one?
5.
5. Very good.
1. 5.
Brown 5. Very good.
2. 5.
You want to draw 5. Okay, later. How about this one?
1. 6.
Brown 6. Good job. Clap your hands. Yay. How about this one?
7.
7.
7.
Red 7. Good job. How about this one, Georgina? Let's turn the page.
8.
8. Good job. Oh, wait for Mama. What number is this?
9.
Very good. How about this one?
0.
0. What number is this?
1.
1. What is 1?
0.
What number is this? What number is this?
10.
Good job. How about this one?
11.
Good job.
12.
12. Very good. How about this one?
1.
This one.
30.
How about this one? What number?
40.
What number?
15.
15. Good job.
16.
16. What number?
16.
16. Good job.
Wow.
Wow.
I did it.
You did it. What number is this first?
70.
What number?
70.
17. Good job.
70.
Oh, you want to draw 17.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, the next one.
80.
What number?
18.
What
To
nu-
18.
What number?
To 18.
18. Good job. How about this one, Georgina?
90.
What number is that?
To 90.
What number is that?
30. Mama Power.
What number?
20.
20. Good job. Clap your hands first.